I just want you to be happy. I really want you to be happy. Can you forgive me?
And I really do want you to be as happy as I am with Mike.
What I want, what I have always wanted, is for you to be happy.
I want you to be happy, but I don't want you to be happy that I'm happy, because I'm not.
I just want you to be happy.
Oh, Mom, please, not now.
I don't want you to be fine. I want you to be happy.
I want very much for you to be happy, Sansa, and so does my grandmother.
I want you to be happy. Are you serious? Yeah.
I want you to be happy, Mother.
I know that.
I only want you to be happy. I'm just sorry you couldn't be with me.
It's okay. I just want you to be happy again.
She wants you to be happy, right? I'm sure she'll go with the flow.
And I just wanted you to be happy.
Well, I am.
Are you?
I just want you to be happy.
I'm working on that.
It's gonna be okay. We're gonna figure it out. I just want you to be happy, and you will be happy.
I love him. You know, and I want him to be happy. And I want you to be happy.
Is this really what you want me to do?
I just want you to be happy.
Your father is your father. He just wants you to be happy.
But I am happy. Sometimes I get the feeling you don't even want me to be happy.
Why wouldn't I want you to be happy?
I owe that to you. I want you to be happy. You deserve that. And I just hope, that maybe we can still be friends.
Are you sure it's the right thing to do?
No. I'm not sure of anything. I just want you to be happy.
Did you really mean what you said up there?
Uh-huh. I just want you to be happy, Mary.
But I'd be happiest with you.